following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Bergen, New Jersey, and the following counties in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and Westchester. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in southern Fairfield County, eastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Westchester County in southeastern New York, southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 4 p.m. At 12:57 p.m., several rivers and streams across portions of northeast New Jersey and the lower Hudson Valley remain above their respective flood stages. Additionally, flooding on the Bronx River Parkway, Taconic River Parkway, and Sprain River Parkway continue with road closures on portions of these roads. Generally 1 to 2 inches of rainfall has already fallen. The rain will be ending over the next hour or so, although it will take some time for water to recede and for rivers to return back in their banks. Some locations that will experience flooding include Yonkers, Stamford, Norwalk, New Rochelle, White Plains, Hackensack, New City, Port Chester, Bergenfield, Ossining, Peekskill, New Canaan, Monsey, Nanuet, and Rye. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. For the following county: Hartford, Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a flood warning for Hartford County until 6:15 p.m. While the heavy rain has exited the area, more rainfall will move across the region this afternoon, resulting in continued rises on area rivers and streams. The north branch of the Park River at Hartford has risen to flood stage and still rising. The Bunnell Brook in Burlington was approaching flood stage and also rising. Additional flooding along some rivers and streams is likely. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Windsor, Wethersfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Walcott, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Berlin, Rocky Hill, and Avon. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Do not drive through roads or underpasses that are flooded. Avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground immediately. For the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Housatonic River at Gaylordsville from this evening until further notice. At 3 p.m. Friday, the stage was 7 feet. Flood stage is 8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by 10 p.m. Friday and continue to rise to near 9.2 feet by 1 a.m. Sunday. Impact: at 9.5 feet, the water reaches businesses on the low side of Spring Street. For the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Housatonic River at Gaylordsville from this evening until further notice. At 3 p.m. Friday, the stage was 7 feet. Flood stage is 8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by 10 p.m. Friday and continue to rise to near 9.2 feet by 1 a.m. Sunday. Impact: at 9.5 feet, the water reaches businesses on the low side of Spring Street.